worst and best fidgets for when you're on an airplane. This poppet, I don't recommend poppets because they're very stress relieving, but they tend to get noisy. Some poppets are like good, too good. They're not, some aren't good enough, but these very good poppets that sound really good can really distract people when they're trying to sleep, and it might make them really mad, like this one. Also don't recommend Orby squishies either. Look at it. I mean, hear it. Like, it's fun. It's stress, like, you could just... It also, if it pops, it can make a huge mess everywhere. A huge mess everywhere. And it's like, it's very noisy as well. It's also very satisfying, but it's also very, very noisy. I also don't think you should bring a fidget cube on, because these plastic ones are very noisy and interrupting. Yeah. Top tube are like a definite no, because they're also very noisy and distracting, and like that's the ultimate nope, because that's gonna make people really, really mad if you do this on a plane. Like, imagine hearing this on a plane. Yeah. Time for the best fidgets. Foam squishies are like a go-to. These are quiet, soothing, and very like, I don't know, very good. Most of them are pretty soft. The only problem you have to worry about is getting them wet, which is a very likely chance unless something happens to it. But otherwise, they're like $1 or something, and they're like $1 at the dollar store, $1.25 at the dollar store, if they're still selling them. So yeah, opinion emojis are a really good stress toy. The only problem you'd have with these is only one problem: them falling. Then you'd probably never see it again. Most likely, probably. I don't know what the chances are. And just go look it up or something. I recommend Squishmallows because they're cute to fly with, they're cuddly, and they're super quiet. They're not the best squishing, but they're super soft as long as you keep them soft. Meshes are very good too. They come in different colors, move out of the way, different colors, and just, they don't make like any noise. Unless you do this. Don't do that, but otherwise, these are pretty good. Pretty good. That's it. Bye!